Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here at Betalbatim beach in South Goa. So I'm going to be taking you around this beach and showing you this incredible place. So this is one of the most popular beaches in South Goa. At the moment it's quite empty, and it's really a nice place if you're coming here with family or just with friends. You want to chill at the beach and you can swim at this beach, so definitely come here. So if you're new to my channel, I'm a local YouTuber from Goa. I do a lot of videos here in Goa which I show you some of the best places to visit and check out. So let's go and check out this beautiful beach, guys. So guys, we are entering the Betalbatim beach right now, and these are the rules at the moment. Visitors on the beach after 7 p.m. are strictly prohibited. So nobody is allowed to come here after 7 p.m. So you're not allowed to drink alcohol on the beach here. But this is a very beautiful place, and South Goa has some of the best beaches, so definitely come here. So over here they give you rules of things not to do, like no drinking, no spitting on the beach, nothing like that. So we have a shop here which is selling all these beach wares, so if you come here you can definitely check it out. So as you can see, they have all these different stuff. So these are cool. I would definitely get one of those. So they have a shop, and yes, the path to the beach. So there are different paths. You can either take that one or you can take this one, but we are going to take this one because my wife and my cousin sister have gone down this path already. So we're just going to walk to the beach. So you can see the greenery is really nice around here, and wow, the beach is coming in the distance. So beautiful. So I really like South Goa because they have some incredible beaches and definitely some really good sand. So wow, so that's my cousin and my wife at the beach. So over here they have a lifeguard post, and let's just look. So it's pretty empty, there's hardly any people here, but as you can see the sand is really beautiful, and it's a really cool beach. So I'm just going to take you around. There's no water sports or anything like that on this beach over here. So as you can see, somebody is swimming. The swimming flag is on, so you can swim here, and it's pretty empty. So we have our lifeguards here to protect you in case anything happens. But look at the beach, guys, it's so beautiful, and there's nobody, literally nobody. And there are many beaches. You can walk the whole line down this beach, and there are so many beautiful beaches all across this line which you can go to. And if you keep on walking down that side, there is Welsau beach, there is Consaulim beach, and if you see in the distance, that area is Vasco, where the airport is basically. So guys, if you come here, definitely a nice place to check out, and you'll really enjoy yourself. Very beautiful. So it's very windy today, as you can see. So really very nice though. I would definitely recommend coming here. You will have a really great time, especially if you're with a family and you want to have a really nice time, a private time, then you will enjoy this place. So guys, this place is really nice to explore, especially if you go up here. There are many places which you can go, and you can have a nice picnic if you like. And as you can see, the sand is really clean, and they keep on cleaning the beach every day. So they have people who come in the mornings and clean the beach. So As you can see, it's very beautiful, and in the distance there are some families with their kids. So this is actually a family beach, and there are some nice resorts over here. The entrance to the beach, there is the Nano Resort, and there are many others that are all open at the moment. So I would definitely recommend this beach. So beautiful, guys. Hey guys, so that is it from here at Betalbatim beach. If you want to watch more amazing videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of other videos of all the beautiful places here in Goa, guys, so definitely do check out my channel.